You have to check this one and select this one, similar this one. You see, just only this one. Okay, and mirror plane this one, back to this one, mirror element, mirror plane this one. This plane, right? This one. See, back this one. Okay. Otherwise, you see whole stuff mirror back. Okay. อ่านด้วยเวลาอ่าน and in the picture and in this picture it seems like they don't have this side right เหมือนกับมองไม่มีรูปเนี่ยบางคนบอกเรื่องนี้รูปนี้แล้วรูปนี้แล้วบอกนี่ไม่มี Her engineering sense you need stiffness both of it. What the objective of this stiffener? You make stiff. So in this case, maybe because of the sealant, we copy this one, mean overlay. So in that case, we want this one. Definitely you have this one, and also you need that one as well. To make equal strength. Engineering center ถ้าคุณออกแบบที่ you design and you have to be free of that you send to manufacturer they will laughing at you okay all these big figure all these illustrator come from hand sketch อันนี้มาจากมือสเก็ตนะไม่ใช่ใช้คอมพิวเตอร์เขียนนะ all these are hand sketch okay That's why there's maybe some loss of the information. This one as well. You see, this one you have to use circular pattern. Yeah.
Didn't that one also need fillet or?
Which one? This pump?
Yeah. There's like the spiritual line, so like, would that be fillet?
No, not fillet. There's a sharp.
Why?
Sharp angle.
Why would they make it sharp angle like that though? Because other sharp angle they just make it a solid line.
I just told you this is a hand sketch and very large sketch. If you want to do fillet, so do it. No problem. In this case, how fillet? How much for fillet is it? ผมไม่ได้บอกเลยฟิลเลตเท่าไหร่ใช่ป่ะคำถามที่ I think the question that you ask should be this one. How this R3 conforms ถ้าจะถามถึงจะถามเรื่องอะไรThis R6 either case can be this one will be 6 and this one can be 3 possible. You say this one 6, this one 6, this one 3, that one 6, that's straight. 8 แล้วอันนั้น8 Okay. Okay. Actually, this one. This one you have circular pattern as well as whole command. This one. Look at this one. I do sharp command. See? I have this one. Oh, I have to change this one back to millimeter. Millimeter. have this one. This the height of this 100. Okay, and this side will be how much? This is the circle is 64, right? 64, so that will be 32. Okay, and you have this one as well. Right? Actually, okay, so you have this one 16. This one as well 16. Okay, and you have inside this 44, this 22. Okay, so you can do it. Okay, this one. Next, I just do sharp command. Sharp. This sketch and axis occupation, this one. You have this one. Now you want to draw this hole, right? And the depth of this hole is 10. Diameter is 6. Right? Depth inside is 10. Diameter, this one is 6. 16, 8 here, and another 8 over there. Up there. So it's 16. 8 at the bottom and 8 at the top. Okay? So how can we do this one? I just create a plane, touch to this one, then offset. How much for this one? So this 64, right? That's going to be 32. Okay, so you have this plane, right? This one. Right. Next, I just draw this one, right? Just draw a circle here. Diameter how much? Diameter 6. Right? Dimension 6. Right? And the distance between this one, distance between this will be 8. Right? Okay? Okay? Like this one. Similar to this one, this side as well. This will be, the meter will be 6. Okay? And this distance of this will be 8. Okay? So you have this one. Next, you just pocket this one. Pocket out. The depth is 10. 10. Okay, so you have this one. Okay, you have this one. Now you want to make a circular pattern of just only this pocket. Right, circular. Right, so you have this one. And let's see how to circular pattern this one. You see, we just do object to pattern pocket. Right? How much each of them we have 8. And each of them will be 45 degrees apart. Axis, I want to be in Z axis. In Z axis, look at this one, Z axis. Insert this one, Z axis. Right, this one. You see, you have this one. Okay. See, you have this one. Right? Next, this one you just use whole command. It's a powder ball. right? This one inside 14, inside the meter is 14, outside the meter is 16, depth 8. Okay, so use whole command here, whole, select this, right? And the depth is have to up to next. How much for the main debitor? 14. 14, right? Okay. And you have main debitor is 14, right? Okay. You have this one 14. And you want to do counter ball, right? Counter ball, this one. Outside will be how much? 26. 26. Okay, the depth will be 8. This one will be 8. Okay, you can do preview this one. You have this one, so this one. See? You chart first. Make a pocket this one, right? And do circular pattern copy or pocket and make hole here. Okay, I do again. Delete this one. Okay. Let's see. I want to do. This is actually you have to know first this type of hole. We call counter wall. We call counter wall. Inside the meter, this one will be 14. Right? Inside the meter, this one. Outside this one will be 26. Depth 8, this one. This 14, true hole. Right? True hole. Right? So you have this one. So you use hole command. Right, select this surface. It's automatic. If this surface is circular, if you rotate at the center of circular, this one. Okay, and you up to next. This one is mean that you want through hole. Up to next. If you want to specify that distance, you have to use blind. Anyway. In this case, up to neck, we don't hold, when get through. Right? Main diameter is 14. This one, 14, right? You see, 14. And the counter ball, this one, you see, have to select this one, counter ball, right? This one, we call counter ball. Outside is 26. Outside 26. Depth of counter ball, this one will be 8. This one will be 26 and 8. That's all. Okay? Okay. If in the exam, if I put counter ball like this one, have some symbol like this. If you use pocket, you will be that. Okay? You can do pocket, but few command. But in that case, you don't allow. Even if you see some of these dimensions, mean that you need to do whole. Okay? Now this one.
ก็เกต
ไอ้นี่เท่าไหร่แล้วก็เคสัมผัสที่เหลือ
ออฟเซ็ตมาก่อนตรงนี้ผมลด32
เศษมา3 2เนี่ย เห็นเริ่มต้นที่นี่เป็นนี้จำไม่ได้หรออันนี้แต่ดีนะไม่ได้ตั้งฉาก ถ้าคุณจะเขียนอย่างตรงกลางนี้ก็ได้นะเขียนตรงนั้นแทน
มันสามารถใช้วงกลม2 อันของฝั่ง
ใช่พ็อกเก็ตมันจะยุ่งทำแบบคุณหันนะสองนะ This is you see I do pocket this one right the depth is how much in this case look at this one the depth is how much 10 right so I put here right someone you can draw a circle here at the center here let's say you draw set use this one to sketch you use this one to do sketching okay and you draw circle draw circle here right for those of you this one is 6 right and this one 8 let's see okay for those of you you draw this one let's say just only one let's see okay see if you draw this one is it possible to pocket yes you don't have to create this one you can this side as well okay you can do pocket this one this side right pocket right I put the other side as well this one okay the first dimension will be this one how much center to this one is about is this one 32 right this one 32 and the other side will be what minus because your depth is 10 right 32 it will be 22 right in this case you minus 72 minus 22 okay also possible see do this one minus 32 22 instead also possible like you okay now do this oneนี่ทำได้เหรอ Can you do this one? You have any problem? Do this one. I give you some idea. Okay. Look at this one. I give you some idea. This one. Let me select this plane. I'm gonna use sharp command. Anyway. Okay. This is diameter 100, right? So this is 50. This is 50. Okay, this is 50. And the height 64. 64. Okay. Okay. And how much this one? This one is how much? This one is 26. And this one is 14. And look at this one. I have this one, right? Let me do sharp here. Okay? Sharp here. Right? Next, I want to do stiffener here. Right? Look at this one. Let me draw this one. If I draw stiffener like this, okay, look at this one. In this case, stiffener, this one. You see, it's no problem. Let's say 10, right? It's no problem. You see, you have to realize first, anyway, stiffener, this one is a plane. I didn't plane. This plane. But this one, you see, this curve, the curve. But stiffener give you only plane. I mean flat. Okay? So look at this one. If I change my stiffener line here, okay, look at me. If I select this one, I change this one. Let me projection this one. Projection this one. Okay? As well as projection this one. Let me move this one to the top. Alright? I make it coincident. As well as this one. Coincident. See? Now we have this one, right? Let me do now. Okay? Do not. You have to do stiffener here. Stiffener. Said no. They don't allow you to do it. You see? They say they don't allow you to do it anyway. Okay? Even though you can do it. You cannot do it because it will be outside this surface. You cannot do this one. No. You can change a little bit by this one, okay? If I add something, look at this one. If I add some line, just small line. Okay? And line here as well. Okay? Look at this one. I just try to tricky with them. Anyway. Okay? Look at this one. Stiffener. I choose this one. See? Look at this one. But you look at this, it's not the button we want. You see? You see, you have here as well. See, this one not work. No, right? You see, you have this one, and also this one. You see this one? No, no. Okay, but anyway, sometimes you allow, but not. If you want to actually do it correct. First of all, you have to make sure that you see this will be curved surface. This one is flat. Superior in this case is flat. You can actually do another method by using surface modeling, which I will train you in the future. But in any case, how can we solve? If for this one, how can we solve this one? Okay? If instead of this one, you say, you mean that I cannot use superior in this case. Right? Let me use instead of superior. I do pocket instead. Cut it out, pocket instead. Okay? How can we do this one? I just delete this superior. Delete this one. Okay? Okay? Let me change this one. My sketch. Let me change this one. I want to convert this one to this one. Okay? I want to change this one to construction line. So that I can reuse in the future. Construction line. Okay? So now you have this one. You have this. Okay? So next, I do pocket, right? Let me choose this plane, let's say. I'm choosing this plane. Okay? Swap this one and this one. See? I just draw this portion. Line here. Another line here as well. Line here as well. Okay? This one and this will be 0.5. I mean, wk5, not 0.55. Okay? This one and this one wk5 as well. Okay? A projection this one. Projection this and this as well. Okay, so we have this one. Right? Next. I just want to get rid of this one. Right? Just do trim this one. Right? As well as this one. Okay? This one as well. This one as well. Okay? This one as well. So you have just only this one. Right? This one. Okay? Next I have this one. Right? I just do pocket here. Pocket. Now, pocket. Down. How much? 64 minus 14. So it will be 50. 50. So you have this one. Okay. Next, I can copy. Circular pattern for this one. Okay. So I will pocket this one, right, and circular pattern this one. What axis? Z axis in this case. Right? How many of them? You have 4. Each of them will be 90 degrees. Okay. Have this one. Now you have this one. See? Look at this. This is a curve, you see? This is a curve. Right? Not flat. See? You can resolve this one by this one. This one way, there's another way as well. I will show you. In this case, you need to do keyway. This is a keyway, right? Standard keyway for diameter 28, right? In that case, you need to search for drawing book, or you can search for internet, right? You can use this standard QA. You choose standard QA, right? Oops, sorry. This one. This one. Okay, this one. Okay, you have this one. You see key and keyway. Right? Yeah, two things. I mean, one is key, right? The standard key. The other one is keyway, right? See? So you need this one, keyway. This one, so it's a keyway here, right? Our diameter is this one, 28. So it will be this one. Our keyway will be this one. Our diameter is 28. So in this case, width this one will be 8. And depth height h will be how much? This one, how much? This one will be 353. 353, right? Let's just see standard QA. Normally you buy. You don't produce key by yourself, you don't need to buy. ที่นี่ก็โมเดลขายกันอยู่คีย์เวย์ในบ้าน okay key actually keyway you have to produce have to build by yourself okay so you have this one yeah
why did you select 23 if our diameter is 28?
no you see form 2 you have to read okay so let me I select this one right let me select this one display this one okay okay I draw this one circle this one will be how much 28 okay and I draw circular here I make this one this and this and this symmetry right make symmetry okay and this time this one is 8 right this one 8 okay and this one and this and this will be 3.3 okay so you have this one next you just quick trim anyway okay that's all okay and you just pocket up to next that's all okay okay this one way to do this one by using pocket instead right okay this one and you pocket this one right pocket one of them right this one and you just rotate super pattern you have four of them right you have to pocket this one okay another way but it's special one I mean it's special one okay let me delete I don't okay let me change this one let me change back this one okay back to this one I just make this one construction line okay this one construction Okay, make this one solid. Make this one solid. Okay, and you have this one, right? Okay, and this is this one. Okay, now you have this one, right? Okay, how if I want to draw this one, first of all, I just draw this. Look at this one. I just get on this one. Get this. Okay. Let me do this one. I just do that. I think I'm trick and then this one. Just projection this one. Projection this one, right? I draw a line here. Symmetry this one. Symmetry this one. With this one, right? And make it 10. This one. Make it 10. Right? Next, I just get rid of this one. Is okay. So I have this one. See, I have this one. Look at this one again. You have curve here as well. See, you have this one. Okay. Next, I do pad until this one, right? Pad this one up to what? Up to plane. Up to this one. Okay, you have this one. Next, I want to get rid of this one. In this case, I'm using chamfer. This one, how much? This one it will be 52, right? Minus 28 divided by 2, right? This one. And this one is also, you have 64 minus 14, this one. Okay. So do chamfer this one, look at this one. Chamfer. Select this corner. Oops, sorry. Chamfer. Select this corner. This direction, you see, this direction is mean the first one. I want to use length and length. See, length and length. I do not length 1 will be this one. Length 2 will be this. Length 1 in this case will be how much? $26 minus, right? The outside one is 50. Yeah, 26. Let's say 26. The outside one is 50. So it will be 50 minus 26. 50 minus 26, right? The other direction will be 50. 64 minus 14 will be 50. Okay? You can preview now. See? Now it's curved anyway. Look at this one. You see? You see? See? It's curved. See? After that, you just do pattern. Both of them. Chamfer. Circular pattern. Yeah. I'm on Z-axis. How many of them? 4, 90. Okay. See? Now we use chamfer instead.